Hi everyone, welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through to generate what we call AWS Credentials Report, right? Credentials Report, it just allow you to generate what we call CSV files. So this file will give you a list of all your users and their credentials report. By that, I mean, if the user has MFA enabled, when was his password last changed, when his last access key or secret key rotated, okay, and when was the password being used or not used, okay. So this report will give you that extensive list so you can go forth and advise all your IAM users. So this will help you. Why do you need it? It will help you to improve your security posture, okay, and also help you to edit to know who is actually abiding by your security best practices that you keep advising your team, okay. So let's quickly go in and then let me show you how to generate your credentials report and also report on that. So let's quickly go to what we call IAM. Under IAM, you scroll down on the left-hand side, you see what we call Credentials Report, right? You click on Credentials Report, okay? And then it will ask you to download the report, okay? Let's quickly download it and show you what's on the report. So give it a go, okay? Just get it downloaded and then let's view what is on that report, okay? So once you view this report, let's click on that. Okay, generate that one. One of them. Okay, let's come up. Okay, so the IAM credential report is all to do with all your IAM users within your account, a list of them. So we have a list of them, including the root. Okay, the root user root account. Okay, the IAM ARN, Amazon resource name. Okay, so which user, you have the username here. Let me open up so you can see 2 users, Charlie and Banfo, and we got the root, okay, user for the root account. Okay, when was the user or the IAM user created? You got the date and time, the password, yes, okay, when was the password created, when was it last used? So the list goes on and on and on, okay, all the way when was the last password changed. So if you have this report, you'll be able to pinpoint which users have been rotating their password, even their secret key and access keys. When have they been rotating them? Okay, this will help you to improve your security posture and also give the best advice to your users. Okay, and again, go forth, practice this, and then put this in your workplace. Help your company manage their credentials effectively in order to enforce these principles of least privilege. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Please comment if you want me to do any specific video. Let me know. I'll put it in my to-do list and I'll make sure I'll publish such a video. Like them, comment, and then I will see you in my next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.